Hey guys, welcome back to another medical video. Today, sorry guys, this video is gonna be like a little bit of a delay because I just came back from church and I still need to do some stuff before I can post this video. So I will be posting this video maybe later in the afternoon, maybe like let's say 5 or 6 o'clock. So I bought this one a quick couple months ago, maybe like a year ago. I bought this dissection kit, so let's see what's in it. So first, it comes in a beautiful leather case or pocket or whatever you want to call it. You zip it open like that, and it's open like a book. So first of all, yeah, that's everything. Um, I did add stuff to this. I did add stuff to it. So yeah, I added the little book what I want to use to make some notes if I need to use a dissection. I did add these hemostats. There I found these ones. It's a little bit dirty. I just need to go clean them like very good. But I added these ones and the book and a new scalpel. Why is it so dirty? Yeah, I remember what it did. Yeah, don't worry. So this is the scalpel it came with. It is a number 3 scalpel. Where's the camera? That's it. Yeah, that's the best I can get. This is number 3 scalpel, and I did upgrade to a bigger scalpel because the scalpel blades, what is smaller or a lot more expensive at the shop I'm mostly getting my stuff from. The scalpel blades a little bit more expensive than the bigger one, so that's why I bought a number 4 scalpel. So every time you look for scalpel, there's always gonna be like a little number in your imagination gonna be in front of the 4 or the 3. This best is a 13. The small one is a 13 scalpel, or I think it's a 13 or 14, and the big one is 24 scalpel. So yeah. Now I have a little booklet. I have two types of tweezers. A blunt tweezer, I learned the names very quickly, and a pointed tweezer. Both I have serrations on it, so it's easy to grip stuff. Then I also have two pairs of scissors, a sharp or needlepoint scissors. The back, and a blunt scissors. It has a sharp point here, but if you put it, this part is blunt. So yeah, what you will see. So yeah. And I have the hemostats. Okay, the hemostats are very straightforward. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is just a few. There's some teeth at the bottom. See, the interlock. If you squeeze them or push on them, make this little click sound. I don't know if you hear them, but yes. And then the interlock, you need to push one back and one front with fingers to unlock them. And now I do a very good job of holding small thin items to what you need to keep holding for long periods of time. Let's squeeze them down and they'll not come off. They don't want to come off. They don't want to lose the grip. So yeah, that's what I have. I got this kit from Ari now. It's a medical shop in Potchefstroom. What has the medical equipment I need because it's a like a student town. So and there's like a medical university in the town, in that little town. So they need to have one stuff like this because they need to do dissections in there. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys. See you all in the next one.